broadcast of the broadcast stations in your area. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would follow this tone.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast